Pani Puri lovers, did you know that your favorite street snack might be hiding a dangerous secret? Stick around to find out what's lurking in your Pani Puri and how it could be affecting your health. By the end of this video, you will know how to keep enjoying your favorite foods safely. If you want to stay informed and make safer food choices, hit that subscribe button and visit my blog. Now let's dive into today's shocking revelation. In today's video, we will be answering some crucial questions like who found these cancer-causing chemicals, what exactly are these chemicals, and most importantly, how can you protect yourself and your family, and many others. Food safety officials in Karnataka have recently conducted extensive tests on Pani Puri samples across the state. Shockingly, 22% of these samples did not meet safety standards. Out of 260 samples collected, harmful artificial colors and carcinogenic agents were found in 41 of them. This alarming discovery was made after the Food Safety Department received numerous complaints about the quality of Pani Puri being sold in the streets of Karnataka. Now, it raises an important question. What are these harmful chemicals? The primary culprit identified is rhodamine B, a dye that has been banned in Karnataka. Rhodamine B is commonly used as a tracer dye in water studies because it fluoresces under certain conditions, making it easily detectable. However, it is also a known carcinogen, which means it can cause cancer. This dye has been found in various street foods such as gobi Manchurian and cotton candy. Additionally, some samples contained other artificial colors that are not safe for human consumption. But how did these chemicals end up in our food? The use of harmful chemicals like rhodamine B in street foods is primarily driven by cost-cutting measures and the desire to make food look more appealing. Vendors often resort to using cheap, illegal dyes to enhance the color of their foods, making them more attractive to customers. Additionally, there is a lack of stringent regulations and inspections, which allows these unsafe practices to continue unchecked. This negligence can have serious health consequences for consumers, leading us to ask when and where these dangerous practices were discovered. When and where did the officials collect these samples? The Food Safety Department collected samples from a wide range of locations, including both roadside stalls and more upscale restaurants throughout Karnataka. This comprehensive approach was necessary to get a clear picture of the issue. The problem is not limited to just small street vendors. Even some decent restaurants were found to be serving food with harmful chemicals. With so many complaints pouring in about Pani Puri quality, it is essential for the officials to take this action. Now, this makes us think, why is this happening? Before we move forward, if you are liking this video, then I would request you to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such interesting topics. Why this issue is so prevalent? The core of the problem lies in the lack of hygiene and the use of banned substances by food vendors to cut costs and enhance the appearance of their food. Health Minister Dinesh Gandu Rao has emphasized the importance of food safety and warned restaurant owners to maintain hygiene standards or face strict action. The use of cheap, unsafe ingredients like rhodamine B is a way for vendors to save money, but it poses a significant health risk to consumers. But if this can happen in Karnataka, can it happen elsewhere in India too? Sadly, yes. This could be a nationwide issue. Absolutely. If such dangerous practices are happening in Karnataka, there is a high likelihood that similar issues could be present in other parts of India. The use of harmful chemicals in food is not limited to one region. Street foods across the country might be using similar harmful additives. So, which other foods should we be cautious about? There are several foods commonly consumed in India that are linked to cancer due to the presence of harmful chemicals. Like pickles, often contain high level of sodium benzoate, a preservative that can increase the risk of cancer when consumed in large amounts. Processed meats, items like sausages and hot dogs contain nitrates and nitrites, which can form cancer-causing compounds in the body. Certain sweets, popular sweets like jalebi and gulab jamun might contain artificial colors like red 2G, which is a potential carcinogen. Chips and snacks. Packaged snacks often contains acrylamide, a chemical formed when starchy foods are fried at high temperatures, which is also linked to cancer. Given these risks, how can we make healthier food choices and protect ourselves? There are some practical tips which you can follow to make healthier food choices. Opt for freshly prepared foods. Choose foods that are freshly made without artificial colors and preservatives. Read ingredient labels. When buying packaged foods, always check the ingredient list for harmful additives. Cook at home. Preparing meals at home with fresh ingredients is the safest way to ensure you are eating healthy. Choose reputable places. Well, it might seem a little awkward that even reputable places are giving you cancer-causing foods, but mostly there are some reputable places in India also that serve you with better foods. If you must eat out, select restaurants and vendors known for their hygiene standards and quality. Well, that's it for in this video. If you have found this video helpful, please comment below and let me know your thoughts. Your comments motivate me to make more videos for you. Do not forget to subscribe for more updates and visit my blog. Stay safe and see you in the next video. You can also check out the videos that are on your screen.